before even starting the video, just tell me one thing. If you are also the one who thinks that understanding a concept is much more important than making notes of it. So basically what I'm saying is, if you are the one who believes in the fact that I would just buy notes or printed notes from anywhere and would revise all those subjects, and for now on, if I am not in the last year, I would just understand the concept and just move on to the another topic. So if you're the one who believes in that, this video is basically for you, because this video I'm gonna tell you why printed notes or notes from your friend also won't usually work for you. And also at the end of this video, I would be telling you how I am using this as like an advantage for me. So that is what I'm gonna tell you in this whole episode, and without wasting any time, let's just get started with the episode. So let's just start off with this very straight. So let's suppose whenever I start any new topic, whenever I start any new subject, what I usually do is whatever my basic flow throughout the study is, I start off with any kind of video or book. I understand that whole topic, then I move on to making that notes, or like making notes, making short notes, or whatever thing I think which is very much important for the topic to remain stuck in my mind, and then I move on to revising. So basically this is the basic flow which everyone goes through while studying any topic. Now one of the very important things is, after understanding that concept is you have just made a neural pathway in your brain for that specific topic. So every time when you revise it again, you just need a trigger for that topic. So and for that trigger of neural pathway, what works very well for me and what probably should work for all the guys is basically your handwritten notes, which are very much specific to trigger that whole neural pathway that you have made for that topic. So what I'm saying is, even printed notes usually work that way, but printed notes usually don't trigger that much as compared to your own handwritten notes, and this is the fact that we all agree upon. But still, why don't we usually follow handwritten notes? Why don't we usually make handwritten notes? Is because it's very time consuming, and also considering the enormous subjects in medical line that we have around 19 subjects. So making notes, making handwritten notes of all those 19 subjects become a really big task, and that's why I'm gonna tell you a very smart way of going through all this, and also at the same point of time saving your time and using it as much efficiently as you can. And this is how I usually go on, and I usually plan to go on for the remaining of my clinical subjects. So what I'm trying to do is, there are some subjects like PSM, radiology and orthopedics, which consists mostly of images or mostly the learning stuff, and that doesn't really need any kind of understanding, or that doesn't really need any kind of like brain power. So what I do is, I usually prefer printed notes or notes from my friends for those subjects. So you can go on with PSM, you can go on with radiology, you can go on with orthopedics, and even you can go on with psychiatry also, because psychiatry also it usually seems to me for making a handwritten notes. But on the other aspect, what I do is, whenever I have to prepare when I usually prepare handwritten notes is for basically medicine and surgery, because those are the two subjects which consists of huge topics which are really important for me to understand. And if I don't understand that topic, if I don't understand the details of that each and every aspect of that topic, that would really harm to me in the long term. So that's why I prefer making handwritten notes for those subjects. So whatever subjects you can take in this for making handwritten notes, I usually try to prefer make notes for medicine, surgery, pediatrics, obs gynae. So basically in clinical subjects, these 4 subjects I would usually prefer making handwritten notes, and apart from that, remaining all subjects I would just go on making buying out any printed notes, and I would just revise it from them. Basically that was the whole video. The whole point of the video was, you just can't be completely dependent only upon the printed notes, and you also just can't be really completely dependent upon the handwritten notes also. What you have to do is match the correct balance between handwritten notes and printed notes, and that would certainly help you in really excelling in exams, or really being proving advantages to you while preparing for an exam. So that was the whole video. I hope you really liked this whole episode, and that's all for this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video. Bye bye.